Okay, good morning, children. My name is B. Ravinder Reddy. I am working at Government High School, Parpalli State, Siddipet. We are at what acids and bases. In that acids and bases, we completed up to lecture number 28. So, in last class, we discussed about what lecture number 29 we completed. So, lecture number 29 is what baking soda, preparation of baking soda, and as well as what we discussed about what uses of baking soda. These uses are very important towards our examinations because every year what so proof to show that hydrated salts contains water molecules and as well as what removing of water of crystallized water from hydrated salt means what? The salt which is having water molecules, the salt which is having water molecules is called as what? Hydrated salt. So water molecules having salt is called as what? Hydrated salt. That means what? Whenever it is having water molecules, if we touch the salt, if we want to touch the salt, does it what seems to be as wet? Seems to be as wet? No. These water molecules are what? Trapped. These water molecules are what? Trapped in the interstitial empty positions. Trapped in the interstitial empty positions. Interstitial empty positions means the empty spaces which are present in that water, these salt. So these positions are called as what? Interstitial empty positions. So into these interstitial, they are present in these what? Interstitial empty positions. So that's why when we touch from outside, the salts are what? Not seems to be as wet. Not seems to be as wet. Now tell me some examples for the what? Hydrated salts. Hydrated salts means what? Having water molecules. For example, copper sulfate pentahydrate, MgSO4 7H2O, Epsom salt, MgSO4 7H2O. This is the what? Epsom salt. Next one, zinc sulfate 5H2O, sodium carbonate Na2CO3 10H2O, sodium carbonate decahydrate washing soda. Now let me take what? This one I am taking what? Copper sulfate what? Pentahydrate. Copper sulfate pentahydrate is present in which color? This is present in what? Blue color. If water molecules are removed, we will get as what? Copper sulfate. This is present in white color. So copper sulfate in white color, whereas white color means colorless, whereas copper sulfate pentahydrate is present in which color? Blue color. Which color? Blue color. Now let me see. So what will happen upon heating these kind of salts? Now I am taking what? A test tube. So this is the what? Test tube I am taking. So this test tube, let me take what? Test tube with what? 45 degrees of angle. So whatever we may take. So this, in this what? Test tube I took what? Copper sulfate. Which copper sulfate? Copper sulfate pentahydrate. So this copper sulfate pentahydrate is present in which color? Blue color. This is present in what? Blue color salt. What I took what? 2 to 3 grams of blue color salt. Then this is what? Closed. This one is what? Closed with what? A single hole rubber cork. This is what? This is closed with directly with what? Rubber cork. It is closed with what? Rubber cork. And then what I am what? Heating. This one what? I am heating with the help of what? Bunsen burner. I am heating with the help of what? Bunsen burner. So this is what? Placed. That means what? This is fitted to the water. So stand. This is what? Fitted to the stand. So after that what? When we are heating, what will happen? This copper sulfate pentahydrate. Copper sulfate what? Pentahydrate is converted into colorless crystals. From that what we can understand? It is converted into copper sulfate. Copper sulfate pentahydrate is converted into copper sulfate. We know copper sulfate pentahydrate is present in blue color, whereas what? Copper sulfate, unhydrated copper sulfate is present in what? White color or colorless. So water molecules are what? Removed. So how we can understand whether water molecules are removed? So that means what? Here, after what? Converting into white color. So now if we cool what? This test tube, if we cool the test tube, so upon these walls of the test tube, so water droplets are formed. So from these water droplets we can understood that what? This what salt contains water molecules. When we are heated, those water molecules are evaporated, and these evaporated water molecules are condensed. These evaporated water molecules are condensed on the walls of the test tube. From that we can understand that this salt has what water molecules. That means what? This is the hydrated salt. This is the hydrated salt. If the same question, is asked as what? Lab activity. Same question is asked as lab activity. What we can write? So first we can write what? Apparatus. What are the apparatus? Test tube, Bunsen burner, stand, this rubber cork, and copper sulfate pentahydrate. Next one, after this one, next what we write? Procedure. So in this procedure, what we can write? What I was explained, that one we should write what? Under procedure. So this then what is the inference? What you got? Observation. So observation is what? Copper sulfate pentahydrate has what? Water molecules. Whereas the what? Dead burnt copper sulfate has what? Without having water molecules. So from this we can understand that what? Hydrated salt has what? Water molecules. Hydrated salts have what? Water molecules. Now can you give some more examples for the hydrated salts? So we have what? This one what? One is copper sulfate pentahydrate. Here I wrote what? So different examples. Here I wrote what? Different examples. But so in our syllabus we have what? So two more what? Hydrated salts we have. That is one is what? Gypsum, and another one is what? Plaster of Paris. One is what? Gypsum. Another one is what? Plaster of Paris. Plaster of what? Paris. One is gypsum and another one is what? Plaster of Paris. Gypsum formula is what? So gypsum formula is calcium sulfate. 2H2O. CaSO for 2H2O. Whereas what? Plaster of Paris is what? CaSO for half H2O. CaSO for half H2O. This is the formula of plaster of Paris. This is the formula of what? Calcium sulfate 2H2O is what? Gypsum formula. When this gypsum is heated to, so 175 degrees Kelvin, so 175 degree centigrade, or approximately what? 373 degree Kelvin. What will happen? We will get as what? That means what? 1.5 mole of water molecule is removed from this, and we will get what? Calcium sulfate half H2O. Does calcium sulfate half H2O, that means what? Half H2O molecule is exist? No. So two calcium sulfate molecules are what? Shares one water molecule. Hence we wrote what? CaSO for half H2O. Then examination point of view, so uses of plaster of Paris are important. Uses of what? Plaster of Paris. What are the uses of plaster of Paris? It is used to make what? Toys. It is used to make what? Toys. And what? Decorative materials. To what? In order to get what? Surface smooth. To get what? Smooth surface, it is used what? To prepare? So decorative materials. And it is used to what? For what? Fractured bones in the right position. To set the what? Fractured bones. So in order to what? Set the right position, we are used what? This plaster of Paris. Ever you seen this plaster of Paris? Yes, the Ganesha. So Ganesha what? Idols are prepared with what? This plaster of Paris. So you are correct. So this is the what about the concept related to what? Hydrated salts, and what? Upon heating these hydrated salts loses water molecules.